Hi friends, welcome to my channel. We are on our way to the hardware store, but I'll update you guys on what we're gonna do. Today's video I'll be doing a hack with the popular IKEA KALLAX cabinet. I already own one of these, and what I had in mind was to make a higher TV cabinet to prevent my toddler from trying to climb onto the TV and potentially hurting herself. We already had a couple of close calls. Seeing I already own this piece and will be building it myself, I think this will be a pretty inexpensive hack. So the idea is I definitely wanted it horizontally with legs and a door on either side to hide clutter. I went through many inspos on Pinterest and came across this one in particular, and we were like, we have to do the chevron pattern. So we were deciding on that. We went by IKEA already earlier and found these doors in the second chance corner for only €6 each, which was a steal. I felt like I had the jackpot. Now we're taking you to take a look at a few wood options to the chevron pattern. By the way, if you're new here, hi, my name is Jennifer. I'm a working mom who loves to DIY. Stick around and I hope to inspire you to tackle a DIY of your own. So I had these legs in the house from a previous project. I was going to use these as the legs for the TV stand, but then I found these on Amazon for just €10, and I think that looks much nicer. It's much more the look that I was going for. Yeah. So let's do this.
guys probably can't tell, maybe by the shirt, but I am somewhere a lot warmer right now. Long story short, we actually moved abroad to a different island in the Caribbean where I was born and raised. So yeah, we actually don't have the cabinet anymore, but I do have a picture of when I posted it on Facebook Marketplace, so you can see that. It was amazing. I love the end result. It functioned a lot better. It was higher for the TV, so the toddler could not get to it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Would you do this yourself? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!